First, come back to my little channel.
Yeah, are you excited? I'm very excited. Now we're at Jewel. Jewel is basically the growth point of my Kumusha. Oh, where are my manners? Hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Thandi. Welcome. Please join the Effects gang by clicking the subscribe button and making sure that you always come back to check out more awesome vlogs. Say hi to my cousin. We'll see she's shy. She's camera shy. Hi. Now we're gonna go around our growth point just to show you what a Zimbabwean growth point settlement is like. Also stretch all the way back here. This is the Musika, which is the market. There's basically like tomatoes, onions, different kinds of vegetables around here. It's actually quite affordable. Chakenda kunofudza bomu.
Wakusvika padhizi.
Manje ndakutomira padziri chaipo padziri kubuda.
Haakani.
Look at the cow. Look at the cow. I remember you. I once took pictures with this bull. Wow. Nice and
Yes,
now we're gonna go visit my cousin. Hey Fax, this is my YouTube channel. Hey Robert. Hey Fax, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Thandi. If you've been here before, and like, share, and if you haven't been here, hit the subscribe button. Now go check out the goats. Actually, no, it's not me. It's Mkoma Brai actually who's going to take out the goats now. I'm just gonna show you guys the process. The one that's looking at me, the black and white one, is one of mine. Hello, you've been checking me out. And then these 4 white ones there. Hi, how are you? This one, and those 2 there. They're so cute and they keep looking at me. Can I touch you? You want to tunga me? Okay, no, you don't want to be touched. Ah, you want them seconds go up our now. yakagurwa nyanga.
Yeah.
Kufunga kumira ka one place kuti dzibude. Chipudai zvemukomo kutize mukutye. Iwo satunga vamwe wenda kuona.
Sons of Zebedee. Sons of Zebedee were known as sons of thunder.
Good morning. I don't even think it's 6 yet. Actually, no, I'm lying. It's 6 o'clock. We're gonna get the day started now. People are going to go milk the cows and we're gonna slaughter a goat. I don't think I'm gonna show you that one because I really will become vegan again if I show you that. And get our day started now. Ooh, the sun. Guys, the sun is really nice. My sister and I are going to set the fire, clean up a bit. We need to set the fire because we need to start cooking breakfast now. I'm thinking goat liver. Ooh, that sounds delicious, but trust me, you don't want to see the process. Oh, I feel like a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. No, that wasn't it. Slay queenie bepa Zhombe. Mamkaka mchisuku zandiro slay queen. Hey, ngoba sinetha. Semukutidzere kubatizwa moto kuti kunoitwa sei. Tutorial. Eh, mapedza. Panapa ndakukurakidza kuti kamwa mombe kunoitwa sei.
A few moments later.
Ndikuponesa. Ndakubahwa yosungwa makumbo ekumasura abezi mukaviwa ukaita nyaya muri yacho irimo. Oh, I feel bad. I'm taking your food. Tunosiya muri wetanga yabuda kumbomwa shoma tichizamura yacho rinyadzokubudisa mukaka. Koma Brian muri kundiseka ndikupa tutorial. Sezvo zvishi mbosiya mhuri yomwe yoyamwa zvare usakuita mwanene. Mwana wacho anochiza violence. Ona kubva anyatsokukika kuti mukaka ubude. Mama wakuita wiwi. Akikwa bladder, shame. Zvakwana iwe. Tobva tanyatsokugeza before kubvisa. Vakubvisa mate ako shamwari. Mozocontaminate mukaka. Anyway, I failed dismally at that, but I'll have you know, the first time I tried it, we did it early in the morning, and I was actually pretty good, guys. So, it's not a small joke. Oh, this is work. Now I'm gonna go have some breakfast. Guys, mukaka wanga shinaka iwoyo. Ndanyatsa kubuisa huchi apa wanga chiri kudzirira because uri kubva straight mumombe. Yo, ndanakirwa nhasi. Yeah, that milk is top tier. It's golden hour, my favorite time of day. Now we're gonna go to the field, Kumunda. I think this is sorghum in English.